Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. As we're getting ready to sell the house, the big item things like IBC totes and raised garden beds has been doing well on Craigslist, but little stuff like this messenger bag that I don't really use anymore for photography has been listed for a while and nobody seems to be interested in it. Let's do some research to see what other platforms we should use. Okay, so I looked up the difference between eBay, Poshmark, and Mercari. Seems like Mercari offers the lowest commission, so we are gonna do that one. It was very easy to create a profile, and I think you just click list item. But before we do all that, let's go clean up all of our stuff. I have a separate video using this Lexol cleanser and this Big 4 leather conditioner. It just so happens the stuff that I'm trying to sell are all leather. These I don't wear anymore and this I don't use too often. Let's try to take some nice photos and get them listed. All three items are listed. I basically just copied and pasted similar items, keep the price competitive. A quick Google AI told me to take it in 1:1 aspect ratio so the pictures look good on computer and the phone. I also did 8 photos. You could do up to 12. I think it's a good idea to do more because you're just giving the buyer more information. Today is May 11th. We will see what happens. We got our first sale, definitely faster than Craigslist. I made this post back in January and I started making this video back in May. So 6 months, not a lot of traffic or interest. And this was sold 1 month on here. We're gonna figure out how to package everything and hopefully it's pretty simple to send out. That was pretty easy, dropped it off, they gave me a receipt. Craigslist is still my preference because since we're meeting in person, there is no commission or shipping fees. But if it's on there for 3 months, 6 months, 9 months, and it's not getting sold, I'm definitely putting it on Mercari. I see myself using this into the future. Can't wait to see what happens. Video 373 done.